Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to request an IRS tax transcript. If you are selected for verification, many schools are going to request an IRS transcript from your parents or from you if you have worked. So if you've worked and you file taxes, please request this ahead of time as it takes about 5 to 10 business days for it to arrive. So the first thing you are going to do is go to irs.gov. Once you get to irs.gov, you are going to click on this box that says Get Your Tax Transcript. Once you get to this site, there are two options for you. The first option is to get a transcript online, and the second option is to get a transcript by mail. The only way you can get a transcript online is if you have an online account with IRS. Many students and many families do not have an account, so I would just recommend getting a transcript by mail. I personally do not have an account, therefore I will click on the easier option, which is to get a transcript by mail. So you'll click on this link here. The first page that pops up, it's just a message from the IRS. You can read it, and then once you're finished reading it, you can click on OK. The first box that appears is just a slew of information that IRS wants you to complete so that they can confirm your identity. The first is your Social Security number or your individual ID tax number. It's whatever you use to file taxes. The second is your date of birth, and they want you to use the format outlined at the very top. The third is your street address, and then finally it's your zip code. What I would recommend is that you use the format that you have on your 1040 or 1040 Easy. Whatever you use to file taxes, you are going to use that same format to fill out this box. So the first thing you'll do is fill out your Social Security number or your ITN. Then you'll fill out your date of birth. And then you'll fill out your street address. The one thing I'll say about the street address is just make sure that you correctly have the right address. If you abbreviate drive with DR on your taxes, then make sure that you change it from drive to just DR. Okay, so however you fill out the taxes, it needs to reflect how you fill out the IRS request. And then finally, you'll type in your zip code. And then once you're done completing all that information, you will press continue. Once you press continue, this page will appear. The type of transcript that many schools request is a return transcript. So you're going to go ahead and select return transcript, and then you're going to select the tax year that schools are requesting. Many of them are requesting the 2017 tax year, so you're going to go ahead and click on 2017. And then you will press continue. And then once you have pressed continue, you get this message from the IRS, and it should read, "We've accepted your 2017 tax return request. Please allow 5 to 10 days to receive it. The transcript will be sent to the address we have on file for you." If you do not receive your transcript between the 5 to 10 day window, I would recommend just waiting a little bit longer, and if you still did not receive it, then I would recommend requesting another tax transcript via online. And then if you're still having difficulty, then you can create an appointment with your local IRS office and then just get your tax transcript. And that's it. That is how you request an IRS tax transcript online in preparation for verification. I mentioned this in the beginning. It's important that you request this information ahead of time because as you can see, it takes a couple of days for them to process the information and for you to officially get your tax transcript. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them in a timely manner. Have a great day.